Hey guys, I'm Jake from Showpony. I am the Master Extensionist to Europe, which is a pretty fancy title. Basically what that means is that I'm an educator. I travel around teaching other hairstylists how to do hair extensions. Tonight though, what I really wanted to showcase was just how we could use our clip-in range. So clip-ins, think of them as your temporary range. Clients that don't want to commit to permanent extensions, they can still have an option of using hair extensions. Tonight what I wanted to feature was a beautiful blonde. We're going with a real festival vibe. So our blonde was our Coachella girl, kind of that dreamy, soft waves. We actually layered one of our 7-piece clip-ins with a 3-in-1 halo as well. So we braided all the hair back, clipped in layer by layer to actually create this beautiful effect. But after I'd done my first model, the blonde, I moved on to what I call my Glastonbury girl. So Glastonbury is full of color. She's a little bit wild, a little bit more untamed. So using a really dark extension layered with a really bright blonde extension amongst her purple, blue, green hair that she had. My other model was what I call my Woodstock girl. So thinking more that kind of hippie country kind of girl. The thing was though, she had all one color hair. So the best thing is I could use my clip-ins and actually create some color through balayage. I used ombre color going from darker into lighter. It was beautiful. It was just a really great way to showcase how you can create color with hair extensions. Hope you guys enjoyed it all. It was really exciting for me, so thanks a lot.